Is it rolling? Are we rolling?
How's my beard? Is the beard good? Hey guys, what is going on? I don't know why I always ask that. You guys can't answer. Whatever. It's Manny Ice, back at it again with another crappy vlog. Everyone's been pretty much begging me to do another vlog. So obsessed with me. This vlog is gonna be... Colleen, we're shooting. What are you doing? Freaking idiots. This vlog is brought to you by Clear Eyes Hair Gel. Even though I just got a new haircut, thanks for noticing. Also brought to you by Busch Light, the official beer of Wisconsin rednecks everywhere. And my way too early college football playoff pick is Princeton. You heard it here first. And don't say I didn't warn ya. And also, don't dislike this video. I know it's you, Kyle. Knock it off. I put a lot of work into these things. And I also have to give a shout out to Cal Larson. I guess he's a fan of mine or something. I have so many fans, I don't even know who that is, actually. So let's get into it. You know what they say, Colleen? Gallon of water a day keeps the doctor away.
Who says that?
The doctor.
What doctor? He's lying.
Be nice.
Oh,
Be nice.
Bella?
Just be nice.
Bella, you're not gonna attack me again, are you? Are you? She might. You know, my outdoor activity has been limited lately because Bella has been attacking me.
She's harmless. Okay.
Ooh, looks like the sun is out. That's nice.
You know what that means.
You know what that means. Sunburn season.
What's wrong?
We're gonna hit some balls today, aren't we, Colleen?
Yeah. Whose douchebag's car is this?
Yeah.
American flag
Sucks. Jeep.
on it? Hashtag not my president.
Hashtag not my Jeep. Hashtag not my dog.
Hello. Don't put that hashtag not my president in there. Don't put that in there. I like Trump.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. You know, after a long, hard day of working, sometimes I just want to come home and beat my wife.
Matthew, you can't say that.
Why not?
Because you don't have a wife.
Oh, good point, good point.
I think that's the definition of a tool.
Wait, tell me, thumbnail? Thumbnail?
Right here.
Right there?
Wait.
How's
Right
the abs? How's the abs look?
Really, lats look really good. Okay, thumbnail.
Thumbnail?
Yeah, right there. Okay, good.
Same color t-shirt.
Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, 5, same color t-shirt, white. Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17.
Here we go. Right down the fairway, Cotton.
You know, I've never actually been to a real golf course. Our yard does a pretty good job.
It's the old front yard golf course. Oh!
Oh!
Pretty good.
Oh.
I see these cars coming up and down this road, eyeballing me every day. Alright, here we go. Bring it back. Tweak my back on that one. Alright, you're up, Timberlake. I feel like you're gonna hit me.
I feel like I am too.
Hey, you take a big enough divot, you have to eat it. Over an inch divot, you have to eat it. You have to eat
That's
it.
mean.
That's a divot sandwich for Colleen. Eat it.
Oh,
That was
all
the-
my retainer.
That's the deal.
Who made up that law?
I don't. You know, Colleen, I don't make the rules. I just think them up and write them down.
That is making the rule.
All right. Nice one, Cotton. I'm gonna try to swing again. My back actually hurts though. Watch this flop shot. Nice shot. That was a nice shot. My back actually hurts though. What should I do for it?
Yoga. Yoga always works.
Yeah.
I did not make that divot. Are you kidding me?
That's why it's
It's an inch thick. You gotta eat it.
That's why it's a divot sandwich.
It's a divot sandwich.
That's yours too.
Oh, I'm really good at golf. I don't know why you didn't vlog my good one, my good hit. Here. Give me the clap. Give me the clap.
Because you only had bad hits.
Doggo?
Hit it up on that opening up there.
Alright, I'm really good. I'm really good.
Bella, don't get hit by the ball.
She wants to.
She wants to. Oh, you got lucky. Look at those shoes.
Oh, no, don't show my
Look
shoes.
at those
Don't show
shoes. What are those? The Jerusalem year ones?
Stop it!
Where did you find those? What century did you get those from? Where are you going?
You're not still vlogging, are you?
No, I'm not vlogging.
Yes, you are.
Look at those shoes. What are those? What are those? What kind of shoes are those, Colin?
Jesus specials.
Check out this Buick.
Copped, not hopped. Copped a new whip this week.
Yeah? Oh yeah? What'd you get?
Let's do a car tour, come on.
Little car tour? Okay.
Okay, welcome
Okay.
to my whip. It's been featured in the vlog before.
Smells like grandma and dog crap in here.
It's because I got it free from my grandma.
And they had dogs in it.
And they had dogs in it.
What's this thing get up to? I don't even know.
I don't know
even
much about cars.
So what can you tell me about this car?
It's gold.
And?
It's gold.
Okay.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. You know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah. Screaming last night when I pulled up.
Cross your arms.
What?
And just cross your arms.
Okay, hold on. Wait, how do you make my legs look good? And don't show my feet.
I'll go up.
No! No, I hate my feet! Stop!
Okay, but I have to go from the bottom to the top. That's how
I got
you.
dirt all over my legs.
What are those? What are those? All right, sit back.
Stop vlogging.
Do it. Sit down. Just sit down, and we'll do the shot. And then
Least you can do is be nice to me.
I get all the YouTube money.
That's what I just said.
Okay, sit down.
Stop.
Well, I'm just gonna.
I hate you.
Summertime when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Black stripe.
Bella, did you steal my golf ball? Bring it back. Bring it back, Bella. Bella, get here. Bella. Give me the golf ball. Give me the golf ball back.
Holy crap. She's so fat.
You're too quick. I can't catch you. There's no way.
Looks like Matthew's got a soft side.
No, I don't. I'm a tool.
Oh, sweetie. Please adopt to save a life.
For only $20 a day, you could save a kitten in need like this.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark.
Did you get that?
I don't think so.
League of Stars.
Hey, hey, bitch, try this. Guaranteed turn square to a bye, bitch. You ain't down, bye, bitch. I ain't got time for playing. I'm just saying, man, we out here trying to function. 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 I ain't got time for playing. I'm just saying, man, we out here trying to function. 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 We out here trying to function.
All right, I gotta do some yoga because my back is actually hurt. Time for some yoga with the kittens. All right. Everybody know
Downward dog.
Downward dog? No, they wouldn't know that because they're cats. Dang it.
Hey, everybody get back in your yoga spots.
Everybody get in line, please.
Come on. Okay.
Ready?
Hey.
Yeah, he's got it. He's got it.
Okay.
Oh no, Mama's here.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you can get in on this if you want to.
Hi.
All right, well, that's pretty much it for the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Say goodbye, James Franco. All right.
Looks like we're gonna end it.
All right, that's a wrap.
Where'd they go?
Where'd the kittens go?
There you guys are. Hey, that one's getting away.
Don't worry, I got him.
Princeton?
Yeah.
Where the F is that?
They're a good team, all right? I like their returning quarterback, which I don't remember his name off the top of my head, but I know he's good.
Name 3 players off their team. Actually, no. Name 3 sports that are offered at that school.
Well, there's the math league, which is a sport, by the way. Of course, you have chess club. I mean, everybody knows that. And then they got a hell of a table tennis team, I'll tell you what. Oh, well,
Matthew, what did we start vlogging originally for?
You know, we were gonna do how I have a lit Snapchat all the time. But we got a little sidetracked with the kitten situation and Colleen's pile of a Buick. Tune in next week to learn how you can have a lit Snapchat.
So I put on all this makeup, do my hair, just to get roasted on the vlog. This is BS.
What are those? Like and subscribe.
Mama told me not to sell word. Mama 17, 5, same color t-shirt, white.